How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Khushi and I do makeup related content on my channel. If you like to enjoy my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So whenever I post any video, you get the notifications. Okay, for today's video, I am created this beautiful look and I am in love with this look. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I am already done with cleansing and toning, starting with moisturizing. So today I am using Joy Skin Fruit Moisturizing Cream and applying it on all over my face. For primer I am using Pink and Blue primer. I purchased it from local market. For foundation today I am using Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation in the shade Caramel. I am only using 2 pumps of foundation. Like this. For concealer, I am using Ronzille Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 and 02. I am applying it on my highlighting points and where I have dark spots and dark pigmentations areas. This is shade 04 of Ronzille Liquid Concealer. First I am using this. Next I am little bit highlighting with this color in the shade 02. Blending with this brush. For setting my foundation and concealer, I am using Lakme Compact in the shade Natural Cinnamon. Eyeshadow, I am using Fab Secret Rose Gold palette and I am applying this light shade on above of my crease with the help of this medium sized eyeshadow blending brush. I am using this peach shade and applying on my crease with the same brush. Next, I am using this little darker peach shade and applying on my crease with the same brush. Next, I am using this light brown shade to deepen up the crease. Next, I am using this too light brown shade to deepen up the outer corner of the crease with the help of this tiny eyeshadow blending brush. And this shade's from Jaclyn Morphe palette. Next, I am using this dark brown two shades to deepen up the outer corner of the crease. Next, I am using this dark brown shade to deepen up the outer corner of the crease with the help of same brush. Next, I am using this big precise eyeshadow blending brush to blend my above crease. Next, I am taking this golden metallic shade and applying it on my middle eyelid with the help of this angled brush. Next, I am using this shiny silvery shade and applying it on my inner eyelid with the help of my finger. Then I am taking this small eyeshadow blending brush and mix my outer eyeshadow with middle eyeshadow. Next, I am applying silver and golden highlighter on my inner corners. Next, I am using this dark brown shade on this precise detailer brush and applying on lower lash line. I am done with eyeliner and eyelashes, and for contouring I am using this too light brown shade from Jaclyn Morphe palette. Next, I contour my nose with small blending brush. For blusher, I am using Baked Blusher palette from Makeup & More, and I am using this light red shade and applying on my cheeks, little bit on my nose and on my chin. For highlighter, I am using Brick Highlighter from Swiss Beauty, and I am mixing these two shades and applying on my highlighting points of my face. With the help of this tiny detailer brush, I am applying the highlighter on my brow bone. For lips, I am using this dark brown shade from Kiss Beauty and applying on my lips. Okay everyone, तो I am completed with this look. That's all for today's video. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. See you in the next video. Bye bye.